How to follow creators on Vimeo. Hello and welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Vimeo and want to follow creators so you never miss their latest uploads, here's how you do it. First of all, open the Vimeo application or website and sign into your account. Now go to the search icon at the bottom center of the screen, and in the search bar at the top, type in the name of the creator. You can also filter search by tapping on this filter icon and choose people if you have the video option enabled right now. After making this selection, click on apply and all of the people from this specific name you've typed in will be shown. Find the person you want to follow and you can check their profile by tapping on their name. And once you find someone you'd like to follow, click the follow button. Now once you do that, you can get back to your My Feed section and you'll be able to see contents from your follow list. So that is how you can easily follow creators on Vimeo. You can also unfollow them anytime by visiting their profile and clicking the following button to remove them. So that's it, you are all set. Now your Vimeo feed will start filling up with videos from creators you actually enjoy watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.